everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. Today we're going to be doing this Halloween makeup. This time it will be a witch, an evil witch. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. If you want to see how I did this look, just stay and watch. Thank you. Okay, I have already applied my foundation all over my face, even under my eyes, but I have not applied my foundation on my nose because I'm going to be working on my nose. And in order to make my foundation not to dry so fast, I spray some rose water, just a little rose water that you can get at the organic store. Now I'm going to dry it off from my nose because I don't want it to be on my nose. Now I'm going to use a lash glue. I like to use this one, but you can use whichever glue you like using, that's fine. And I'm gonna grab some square of toilet paper. I'm going to grab the glue and I'm gonna put a thin layer on my nose. Then I'm gonna grab the toilet paper and I'm gonna cut it in pieces and I'm gonna stick it to my nose. I'm going to grab some more glue. I'm going to apply a second layer. And I'm going to add more paper. One more time. This time I'm going to concentrate a little more in the tip of the nose. I'm going to try to wrinkle the paper this time. What I want to do is to make sure there is a little point, like a little tip coming out. So in order to achieve that effect, I'm going to wrinkle the paper a little bit. As you can see, my nose left a little there, so I'm going to put a little glue to make it stay. I think the nose is fine as it is right now, but I just look at the mirror and I feel like I need a little sheen going on and a little more going on here. So I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did on the nose. I'm going to be doing it here on the chin, but I did put some makeup here, so I'm going to remove it and then apply the paper and the glue and start doing everything again. And my objective here too is to kind of make it a little pointy this way. And when you put the paper, don't make it nice and smooth, make it, kind of wrinkle-like. I'm gonna wait for this to dry and then I'm gonna apply my foundation on top of it. Just make sure nothing of the white peeks through. Now to make sure my base is nice and wet, or at least not dry, that's what I really mean, not dry, I'm going to apply one more time the rose water. I did put a moisturizer underneath before applying my foundation, but I want to make sure that the base is wet because I'm going to set this base with an eyeshadow and it's gonna take me a while to get to the whole face, so that's why I want to make sure it's wet, not dry. And sorry about my palette, but it broke, but I really like it because it has a lot of color, so sorry if it doesn't look pretty. So I'm going to start applying a dark green color to set this base. I'm going to use this color in a round big brush like this one, see, and I'm going to put it all over my face. And I'm going to apply it on top of the paper. And when you're working on the nose, just pat the color, just put the brush and press, put it and press. Don't try to blend it, just press it. I'm applying a second coat of the green eyeshadow. so that the color is more intense. I'm going to apply the eyeshadow on my ear, but I'm not going to apply foundation on my ear, just the eyeshadow. I'm applying some foundation on my neck because I'm going to apply the green color. Now, with what is left on the brush, I'm going to go around my eyes and color, but only with what is left on the brush, no more. I'm going to apply the green color a little upper because I actually want only my under eyes not to be covered. So it is a little lower than that, so I'm going to apply it up to where the under eye starts. With whatever is left on the brush, I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, and what I want to do is to emphasize my under eyes. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to clean my brush and I'm going to apply it. And I'm going to go down a little bit, just not much, a little bit. I'm going to put some over here so that it looks like a spot. I'm going to put it on my eyelid. Now I'm going to take a really nice thin brush like this one. See how thin it is? And I'm going to use this black eyeshadow. And I'm going to start drawing my wrinkles. So in order to know where my wrinkles should be, I'm going to wrinkle my face and then put the color in those lines. I see some expression lines here, so that's where I'm going to put the line. So, here. I'm going to put some few lines on the nose so that they look like wrinkles. See how my paper have lifted up a little bit, so I'm going to apply more glue. I knew it was going to happen because I didn't apply enough glue on that area, so I saw it coming, but I didn't want it to listen. No problem, we're going to fix it. Then I'm going to use this brown color one more time with this brush, and I'm going to put it on top of the black eyeshadow and try to blend it in. And when the same brown eyeshadow, I'm going to put it right here and blend it in. I'm going to put a short line here too and blend it in because I want for that one to be a wrinkle too. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the black eyeshadow. And some wrinkles here too, and blend. Put the brown color on top and blend it in. I'm going to do the eyebrows now. And I'm going to make it, see, like a little heel over here, and then fill it in. And the eyebrows in this case don't have to look pretty. The opposite actually is better. If they look ugly and bad, then even better for this look. I'm going to line my eyes. And I'm gonna go upside the waterline a little bit, not much, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, which is a really dark purple. I'm going to blend in the black eyeshadow that I just put there. And I'm going to go really low. And I'm even gonna do this. I'm going to line my eyes. And with the same purple eyeshadow, I'm gonna put it on top. And try to blend it. Some color here, just whatever is left on the brush. Here. I'm just putting a shadow right here. And I'm going to use this color as a lip color. I'm going to draw some lines, tiny lines, so that it looks like my lips are wrinkled. And I'm gonna blend. I didn't like that color, so I'm gonna switch it for this one, which is a really dark purple color. I'm going to reapply the green color here, because I can see some of my natural color. And I'm putting more of the color, a second layer, but only here in the center, so that this part is darker than the rest of the lid. I'm going to use this color, and it has a little of sheen, and I'm going to put it right here. I put some brown color here, just a little bit, and I'm gonna blend it in with the green. I'm gonna use my liquid liner, and I'm gonna draw some hairs so that it looks like a natural real eyebrow. I'm gonna do it in the part where my real eyebrow is not there. And I'm going to draw a circle there, like a big black mole, you know, because that's supposedly what witches have. I'm going to put some yellow right here on the tip, so it highlights this area and make it look more pop up, you know, a little more popping. And also here on the tip right here, or the bottom that looks like a tip. Okay, everybody, this is the final look. I hope that you like it. I think it looks like a witch. I like all the wrinkles and everything else. I think it looks pretty cool. And I did wanted to mention before I forget that I did put some false eyelashes. I applied my mascara in the top and lower lashes and then put the false eyelashes. But the ones that I put on were ones that I was gonna throw out because they were pretty old and they were not looking pretty anymore. But I saw that for this look they will be fine. That's what I kept them and putting on, because I did want to put some eyelashes for so that the eyes pop a little more, because otherwise I think it looks kind of plain, you know, with all the makeup going on. So I wanted for the eyes to have something. That's why I kept those eyelashes. And my hair, I did it all, you know, crazy, like not really comb my hair so well or anything like that, so it would look like a witch, evil witch. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, like it, subscribe and comment. Let me know what is it that you think. You know, do you like this makeup? I know you like the geisha, because you guys write nice comments about the geisha Halloween tutorial, so I appreciate that, and I say thank you very much to you for that. I'm glad that you like it, and I hope that you like this one too, which I enjoy doing. So thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.